Hello everyone, and welcome to the tour of this incredible 2021 leisure travel van's Unity, the U24TB model. Built on the legendary Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis with the proven 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel, this is the perfect balance of luxury, efficiency, and go-anywhere versatility. This one is absolutely loaded with premium factory options and thoughtful aftermarket upgrades, making it truly road trip ready. Let's step inside. The moment you get into the cab, you appreciate the Mercedes-Benz driving experience with advanced safety features like active brake and lane keeping assist. This one has been enhanced with a professional blind spot and rear view camera system, giving you incredible confidence on the road. It also comes with custom seat covers in both MagnaShade exterior and Van Essentials interior window covers for total privacy and climate control. As we move into the living space, you're surrounded by high-end finishes like ultra-leather upholstery and Corian countertops. The quality is exceptional. Now, let's look at the rear of the coach. Here you have the versatile twin-bed layout, perfect for two travelers, that easily converts into a spacious king-size bed for ultimate comfort. They've even added an upgraded speaker system back here. One of the best features of a leisure travel van is the full dry bath with a separate enclosed shower, a true luxury in a van this size. And thanks to the Truma AquaGo tankless water heater, you get an endless supply of hot water on demand. All right, let's finish our tour around the outside, where the upgrades really shine. One of the most significant is the 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling system. Just touch a button, and you have a perfectly stable, shake-free campsite. For off-grid living, this Unity is exceptionally equipped. You have the 3.6 kilowatt generator, 200 watts of solar on the roof, and the crucial lithium battery upgrade for extended boondocking power. Dumping your tanks is clean and easy with the macerator waste system. You'll also notice the beautiful Alcoa aluminum wheels, the exterior ladder, and a handy soft start system installed on the AC. This Unity 24TB has been thoughtfully upgraded for comfort, convenience, and true four-season travel. To see the full specifications, all the photos, the MSRP, and to learn more about this incredible van, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.